Vlogmas day 1. Oh my god, Vlogmas is here. What the heck? The fact that like I'm barely even processing the fact that we're in 2018. What is actually happening? I am doing Vlogmas on this channel this year. What? But Karina, you can't even keep up with your vlog channel. Like, what do you mean you're doing Vlogmas on your main channel? I let my vlog channel die. I have not uploaded on there since like last Vlogmas. It is so hard for me to focus on my vlog channel and my main channel at the same time. I need to focus on one thing, okay? So I decided I'm doing Vlogmas on this channel this year. And besides, I'm actually low-key loving like videos, like for example, the 24-hour long nail video. I like videos that are a mix of like sit down content, but they're also a mix of vlog style. Also, there's two ways of doing Vlogmas. There's people that vlog starting on December 1st, upload on December 2nd, and that's how it starts off. But I'm starting off the 25 days of December. So I'm vlogging and uploading December 1st, if that makes sense. Since it is Vlogmas day 1, I'm starting off with just decorating my place because I want everything to be holiday vibes and just, you know what? Christmas is here, okay? Fall, you are canceled. Hello, winter. I am currently in LA. This is my workspace. I don't live here. I'm actually here because I'm going to the Craft City offices and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Some Starbucks, got a berry hibiscus and a ham and cheese croissant. The whole vibe is just so jolly and it's gonna be a good day. This is too much fluff for me. Got this little section going on. I can't wait to go home and just decorate everything. I had to switch something up here just because it was bugging me that everything was so fall. Squishy Bunny is back. Squishy Bunny today was not here. He was getting a consultation for his teeth because his wisdom teeth had been hurting. We have about an hour to get to Craft City offices. Every week we have like meetings just to like get on top of everything. This is gonna slide. Oh my god, do I have anything that could freaking hold this? You're sitting on a cookie jar, so I have to go to a meeting. After the meeting, I'm gonna get my new computer. Oh my god, I'm getting a new computer, which I'm so freaking excited about, guys. My computer is literally so garbage. The one I have right now, my laptop that I have right now is the first laptop I ever got for editing ever, and it's the one that I still use up to now. That thing has been giving me issues for the past months already, so I'm getting a new computer today. So freaking excited. But I really want to get home and get a freaking tree because I got a tree online and that thing has, I never got a confirmation, nothing. I just said that I paid and I don't even know if I'm being scammed. Like, I literally paid almost $2,000 for this freaking 15-foot tree, which is like gorgeous. I trust them, but also like I never got a follow-up email. Nothing, like I didn't get anything. The tree was charged, but I got no emails. So I don't even know if it's shipped or not. I don't even have a tracking number. The delivery date was days ago, so now I have to figure it out. I think I'm gonna go buy a tree. Hey! Hey girl. Hey guys. I'm actually at the Craft City offices right now. Alex got me the computer because she went to go pick it up. I can't believe it's the second one I've gotten since I started YouTube. I can't believe I've been using the same one this whole time. And there she is. Icon. Every Friday they have catering, so we got here and there was tacos. Yeah. Yeah, because last time it was one segment was pure slime and then the other segment was the backbones and the thing. So this time all the bundles are one segment twice.
Yes. Yep.
I get it.
Let's talk Slime Mania. So that's on the 16th, right?
Slime Mania on the 16th. I loved the
People
fanny
love
pack.
them,
Should we do different colors this time though?
Yeah, we can do whatever you guys
Can you
want.
pass me the slime? I'm sorry.
It's the counter of your vlog.
We can do different colors, zippers.
So they can see.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Oh my god.
All you have to do is buy the tubes.
I love the big batches. The packs, they're 3 ounces, but I was like, you know what? I need a little bit more. So we got some giant ones, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay.
Okay.
It's a direct flight though that's happening. But on the way back, you guys are connecting because the direct flight would have been in the morning. So this way, you get home that day and you want to spend it.
Oh snap! 5 a.m.
And that's 7
Oh my
a.m.
god! Oh my god! I gotta get up like at 3 a.m. to get ready then.
Like they're going like crazy.
Oh my gosh!
Then for the holidays to go push towards Target and Walmart. Well, Target, and then the holidays with Joann's and How are those?
Okay guys, I'm so excited to show you this. This is actually in stores already, so it's about the only thing I can show you. This is the mystery pack. Make sure to tag me on Instagram. Post on story so I can repost. I want to see what kind of mystery slimes you got, honey. There's a brand new kit coming in January. Oh my gosh, so exciting. There's just everything. I can't show you anything. Okay guys, I'm finally home and Chubbs is here. I hate Debbie boy. We have the tree. Okay, y'all. So I was telling you how I got this tree, right? The tree never came, so Mara literally went to go buy a tree. Because I really wanted to put a tree up today. So we put this one right here at the entrance. And then I had gotten like a 15-foot one that hasn't came in the mail. But when it does get here, we're gonna put it over here because the ceilings are much higher on this side. And great news, I actually ended up getting a new lens because
you already put it up?
my camera
Let me
broke.
get the lens.
No, it's in the car.
Yeah, okay.
Excited to actually vlog with this. Chubbs is playing with slime. He loves this one because this one is the jiggly type that doesn't stick to you. So he's obsessed with this one. Also, I got my lens finally, so now I'm using my actual vlog camera. Thank goodness. I was like, I ain't about to use this for the rest of Vlogmas. Not my phone, honey. We have the tree, guys. The tree is here. I could probably put you over here somewhere. Go ahead. Okay. The Chubbs that stole Christmas. Tomorrow we're gonna go get more for this tree, and then tonight we're just gonna put what we can. Let me show you guys the other tree we have. This is the one that's already decorated, and this is what we got. And then this is the other one that I wanted to put the other tree. There's not really much left of the ornaments, so tomorrow we're actually gonna go and really deck this thing out, honey. That is what's going on. I am currently babysitting Chubbs for about an hour or two because they went to go have some dinner and Chubby wanted to stay and watch his favorite movie. On that note, I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna chill with Chubbs for a little bit, get ready for bed. Thanks for watching, y'all. Happy December 1st, and with that being said, let the jolly festivities begin.